Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi. Today here we have the ART-SKT213USB in Sky. Okay, on the front here you can see that it has 4 Type A USBs, and it has two 13 amp sockets on the front there. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. All right, let's grab our scissors and let's open it up. Okay, so inside every box, you'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. You'll get your product, and you'll also get an instructional leaflet, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's look at the product. Okay, so let's give you a nice 360 view. Okay, and then let's pop the plate off for installation. It's nice and easy. Just with your fingers, grab at the corners and push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side, and it pops off nice and easy, just like that. Okay, at the side here, you'll see the 2 holes here. That's where your screws will go into to fasten to your pattress box. Okay, let's flip it on over to the side. You'll see that you'll need at least a 47mm depth for your pattress box so that there's enough room for this to fit in and your wires. Okay. On the back here, you'll notice that it says that it's BS and CE certified. And you'll also notice here that it'll need a bridging system, which is very common in Europe, so that you can get the full power to the USBs. Okay. The cool thing about these guys is, let's say you had a painter come in, he's redone your house, and now your old sockets and switches don't match the color anymore. No problem. You can just get one of these, pop it on there nice and easy, and you're good to go. Okay, let's take that off. Let's put the original one back on. Nice and simple. Okay, let's take a look at the instructional leaflet. On one side, you'll have all of our social medias, which you can go over there and give us a like or a follow. We would greatly appreciate it. Flip it on over to this side, and it's a whole bunch of ways that you can contact us by phone number, email, or live messenger. Also in the bottom right-hand corner here, you'll see a Scan Me QR code. You scan that, and it'll take you straight to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install them. Okay, let's take a look at the bag here. Okay, so on the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-SKT213USBSK for Sky. Our barcode there, and up here is our QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you'll be able to see our full range of Trendi products. If you flip it on the side here, you'll be able to see on the bottom right-hand corner is the recycling symbol. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like that, please give us a like, subscribe, make sure that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything Trendi, and leave a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right. Have a trendy day.